apps live with fresh eyes. I've never looked at any of these before, and I'm going to give honest feedback. I'm going to look at 10 different products today and spend about 5 minutes on each one. So let's jump right into the first one. Workin, the job market built on Solana network. No middlemen with your money. Employees find work as a crypto freelancer, get paid the moment your work is approved. Escrow holds the payment until then. Employers find talent, release the payment only when the work is delivered. Escrow protects you. Workin is a Solana-based escrow freelance platform. Okay, so I get that it's a freelance platform for freelancers to find work and for people to find freelancers. So it's a marketplace, and payment works through Solana network. Employees keep 100%. Employers pay 5%. Okay, I mean, that part is clear. Try private beta, join waitlist for mainnet. I think you need to decide whether I'm trying to understand and think about like the Solana integration here. Like, is Solana the main driver and reason for people to come use your marketplace because they specifically want to be on Solana network? Or is that just kind of is that not the main reason? Is that not the main reason? I'm trying to get my thoughts here. So the reason I ask is because some of the terminology here is only going to make sense for people who are familiar with Solana network. So join waitlist for mainnet. I imagine mainnet is a Solana thing. So only people who are already familiar with Solana are going to understand that. So you kind of need to decide, are you expecting the people who come here and the people that you're going to convert into users, you're expecting them to already be familiar with Solana? Or rather, do you want people who are just freelancers or just looking to hire people? They may not really know Solana or know how it works yet, but you want to convert them into users as well. And if that's the case, which makes sense because that's a much broader audience, I would think about the terminology here and not expect that they understand Solana specific terminology. And so, maybe it's just this button, but I imagine that that point is pertinent throughout the rest of this page, more than likely. Okay. So you've got a screenshot here, kind of what the product looks like. Okay, cool. Scroll to explore, open source contract. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. All of these brands, Coinbase, Backpack, Ledger. I'm not sure why these are here, how do they relate to this product? I would clarify that. The reality today, the reality of working in crypto today. Hiring on messaging apps is faith-based, no escrow. Okay. So the way you're framing this here leads me to believe that there's already this audience and community of people who are exchanging work via crypto. I mean, I'm sure, yeah, of course there are people, but this leads me to believe that there's a substantial community of people doing this, and what you have here is a better way than how a lot of them are doing it today. That's how it's coming off. Okay, trust. No escrow on off-platform contracts. Direct deals with crypto projects mean trust-only payment. No recourse if the client disappears after delivery. So this is a bunch of examples of how your system is better than the current, way of doing things. Maybe this should be a table where one column is kind of, these are problems, like problems today in one column, and then how this is solved in the work-in column. And each row is an example of a specific use case or a specific type of problem that might come up. And you show that how when these problems come up with work-in, there's a solution or it's mitigated, and without work-in, bad things happen. So yeah, maybe this is better conveyed in a table. Okay, what you get instead. Yeah, for sure. For sure, this would be better as a table, because right now it's split into two sections and it's really hard for someone to kind of like piece this information together in a easily to understand comparison. Okay, from hire to payment in 3 steps: match, lock, work and release. Okay. No take rate games, just the rails. No skimmer, no skimmed freelancer fee, no withdrawal spread, no hidden float. Every number on this page is forced by a contract you can read. Okay, some layout issues I can see here. These metrics, font size may need to be a little bit smaller to fit on a more narrow window size. How your money stays yours. Okay. Paid anywhere, no bank required. Okay, cool. I hope that was helpful in some way. Coming up on 7 minutes, so I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, let me switch my window. Actually, this is just a, yeah, let me switch my window. All right, so this one is actually a Chrome extension. It looks like Bookmark Manager for new tab. There's a video here. Grid tabs. Okay, so the video is nice. There's a voiceover explaining the product. It's essentially explaining that it's displaying all of your bookmarks in a visual grid, and you can also use that grid to kind of drag things around and organize your bookmarks. Save a link and actually use it again. Okay, so it sounds like the intention is for this grid to act as your default page when you open a new tab. Okay, cool. I think the video is doing a great job of quickly explaining the product so that someone understands what it is and can decide if they want to try it out. And it's free. I think it's free, actually. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's free. So someone could easily add this to Chrome and try it out. Okay. I was expecting a landing page here. Let's see, you do have a website. Let me check that out. Grid style bookmarks manager. Okay, this is a beautiful landing page. I really like this. And then I imagine this is the same demo you've got here. Yeah, great. Add to button to add to Chrome right there. If you can't see it, you won't use it. Folders are designed for filling. And then you've got a sort of testimonial right here. You're using this person's picture and name, so it feels real. Feels like a minimalist launcher for Chrome, simple but clever, something you open every day, should belong to you. Oh, this is cool. You're showing different examples of what this can look like. Nice, from the maker. And you're introducing yourself and talking about who you are and why you built this. This is great. Honestly, I don't even know what feedback I can give on this. I think you're doing a great job with this one. I am gonna move to the next one. Man. Okay, sorry. Let me move to the next window here. All right, an AI agent that floats on every page you open. Install Braino and a small brain appears on every tab. Click it, type what you want, chat about the page, delegate a browser task. Okay, so this is a Chrome extension that adds an agent chat. I guess this is an example of it down here, possibly. I don't know, I see this little brain, but, and I can throw them around. It's just kind of funny, but I thought if I clicked it, it would kind of let me use it, let me chat with the agent. Okay, Thursday's onboarding, are you joining? Draft reply to Priya's email. Sure, here's a draft. Immediately, I wonder what this has access to. I guess maybe this just has access to the current page content, which is concerning for me. But maybe that's okay. 3 steps and it's yours. Install one sign. And I wonder what model this is using. You know, right away, I would want to know if all of my page data is going somewhere, where is it going? And what is the privacy policy associated with that? So you might want to clarify that early on so people are aware. One agent, every mode, already on your page. Records lectures, hit record before class or meeting, get a clean transcript and structured note. Reads any page. Talk to it like a person. Cool. Yeah, I mean, it would be great if you just let people sort of try it right here on this page. Braino. Yeah, like why can't I open this up and try it out? Hand Braino the keys to your browser. Read DOM, decide next action. Okay. DOM first, not pixel first. 1 second per step. Always on the page you're on. Well, you've done a great job of explaining what the product is. It's really clear. Landing page looks nice. Most browser agents see your page through a camera. Braino reads it like a developer. Got it. Okay. Everything you've ever said, remembered. Yeah, I mean, okay. And then you're showing kind of a dashboard here. This is good. Free forever, pro when you want more. Okay, what does pro have? Smarter models. I still haven't seen which models are being used. It would be good to explain that. Unlimited delegate task, unlimited recording and transcription, custom voices and languages. All right, great. I hope that was helpful in some way. I am going to move to the next one. Let me take a quick note before I start. All right, opening the next one. Okay, cool. So UCTL, one flat price, no bandwidth bills. Okay, but what is it? With the hero text, I would definitely start with a clear description of what the product is or what it solves for your user. One flat price, no bandwidth bills. That should come later, I would say. Manage full stack deployment, every add-on, every byte of bandwidth, every team seat included. Every add-on. Manage full. Yeah, I mean, I'm a developer and I don't yet understand what this is. So this could be more clear for sure. Start 30 days free. I don't know what it is yet. Free for 30 days, no credit card. Get push. Configure, connect, ship. Configure your server. Okay, CPU, RAM, storage. It's interesting that these are toggles rather than like how many CPUs, how much RAM, how much storage, etc. Pick your size, see the price. Yeah, so just visually, these are weird as toggles. It's a small thing, but I noticed it. Connect your GitHub repo, any repo with a Docker file. Okay, push to main. Got it. So I guess this is cloud hosting. Server provision, build complete, database ready. Okay. So it's cloud hosting. I mean, that's what it seems like, and maybe like a deployment system. I don't yet know, it's not yet clear what the differentiator is, like why I want to use this over other options. So it would help to get to that early on in the landing page and really explain the intended use case, where this use CDL is really good. Yeah, okay, the CLI is the product. Every capability is a single binary CLI command. Structured JSON output, so your tooling can pipe it. Yeah, I guess, again, it's like, it just comes down to being really clear of what your differentiator is here, or what this excels at. Because there are other command line interfaces to deploy applications for sure. your server, everything included, push to deploy, PR reviews, connect your gateway. You know, is this about, like, this is much easier to set up and configure than other options? If so, I would really speak to that and explain it. Managed Postgres database, automatic backup, time recovery. Okay. Pick your size, see your price. This is cool that the pricing is transparent and on the landing page, so you could quickly see how much you'd be paying for whatever you need. Every project includes database backups, on custom domains, push deploy. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, having gone through the landing page, I get what it is. I think it needs to be much more clear immediately in the hero section what this is, and then it really has to explain what this is great at, why this is the best choice for me versus other options, and that's just not coming through yet. But other than that, great job so far. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next one. Okay, template, website templates for modern brands. Cool. Good job with the hero text. Right away, I know exactly what this is and whether or not it's for me. Okay, I could browse templates. Boom. And this is, yeah, you visually show examples of templates right away. I think that's the right thing to show. People are gonna immediately wanna know, okay, how do these look? If I'm gonna, do I wanna come get templates here? I wanna see how they look. So this is good. Okay, so then let me look through these. Cool. Why these templates? Built to convert, turn visitors into clients with proven layouts, easy to customize, production ready. Okay, looks great on any device. Awesome. Get started in 3 simple steps. Choose a template, customize it, publish your site. Okay. Right away, this makes me wonder is how well does this work if I'm not using your editing tools? I just want to take a template and I want to give it to my agent or use some other tool for building my page. How well does that work? How seamless is it? Yeah. Or am I really kind of forced to use your built-in tools? 1-minute quiz, find the perfect website to deliver your project. Okay, start the quiz. This is cool. You've got a quiz. Let's see. What are you building? Agency, SaaS. I built one for myself, but it needs work. I have a site. I want to improve it. It's working, but I want something better. Get more leads, sell a product, showcase our launch or promote product. Build trust and credibility. What matters most when building a website? Professional premium. Cool. I think it's really cool that you have the survey. I don't know if that will be enough to get people to sign up, but I'll do it. First name, Tommy. Send my recommendation. Okay, I imagine I'm gonna receive an email with a recommendation. It'd be nice if you just showed it here and kept me on the page. I'm probably more likely to just bounce at this point, but if you show it on the page, maybe you'll keep people there. Let me look at my email and see if I received anything yet. Nothing yet. I'll wait a little bit more. Mailbox, get all new mail. Still waiting. Okay. No email yet. So that could be much faster. Okay. And now I'm just now seeing the prices on these templates. $130, $100. Okay. Get all access, templates. So if I click one of these, let's say like here, I get screenshots of the template. Cool. View demo. Great. Turn your idea decisions. Okay, cool. Description, list of pages. Trusted by creators, drop site, Learn Hub. Okay, so your the link to this person's page, Learn Hub, is broken. I think obviously it's awesome that you have testimonials. It's great that you're showing pictures of people, and it's amazing that you're linking to their products. That all of that combined makes these feel real. The link, however, is giving me a 404. It's broken. So that's something to fix. Let's see if any of these work. Okay, this one. Okay, so this shows it shows the template that they're using, I guess. Whereas I thought this was linking to their business or their page, which would be better. Okay. Well, then I guess the link to this Learn Hub template is just not working. Get your template per one website, best value, pro pack, all access. Okay, cool. I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Void runs, optimize your short form content performance. Paste a TikTok handle to see what's working for that creator, posting times, engagement breakdown, trending hashtags, or score your own video idea before you shoot. Run analytics. Okay. I use X, I don't use TikTok, so I won't be able to really use this, but you're doing a good job with the hero content, I think. Optimized. I think this is good already. Maybe you could be even a little bit more direct. Like, what does it mean to optimize? What do I get? More views, more engagement? Maybe just state that more directly. But I think I get it, but that just might help more broadly. And then, okay, then you're just explaining how it works. Like, paste a TikTok handle to see what's working. Okay. Okay. Show me an example. Like, if I don't have a TikTok handle on hand to put in here, show me a few examples for whatever random handles you have, and like show me the output that I get from this system so that I can see what I'm gonna get. Okay, what is Void Runs? Void Runs is the AI TikTok analysis for serious creators. 2 tools at the core: a free client-side viral score calculator that creates a strategy of a video idea before you shoot it. Fetches any, you've got like a missing space right here. Fetches any public TikTok handle and surfaces the patterns the creator's account is actually rewarding. Three steps, 30 seconds. Describe your video, get your viral score, fix what's weak. Again, show examples. Like, show some examples of input that someone might put in to describe their video. How much depth are they going into? How much depth do you expect them to go into? And then what is the result that this system provides? Is it giving them a complete alternative idea? Is it just critiquing the idea? Just show that. That can go a long way. Everything Void Runs scores for you. AI profile analyzer, hook templates, viral score, algorithm search, how the algorithm actually works. Pro pricing, try the analyzer free. Okay, cool. Great job. I wish you had a similar tool for X. I would use it because I use X, and I'm trying to learn content marketing. So this would be great for me, but I don't use TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna move on. I hope that was helpful in some way. The website that sells, buy now. So I think this is like an ebook. 27-page guide for business owners. Who is it for? Your website is live, but the inquiries aren't coming. You're a business owner who wants to understand what actually makes a website convert. Okay, what's 27 pages of everything that actually works? This isn't theory. This is the exact process I use at Stellix Digital with every client. We'll get wrong. $27. Okay. I've seen very similar pages to this. So you might be the owner of those other pages, and the feedback I have is going to be very similar. I think what is going to help convert here is building up trust. For someone to trust you with their learning and purchase this content, they want to know who you are. They want to know why they should trust you. What have you done? You're mentioning right here, it's the process you use at Stellix Digital with every client. Most people don't know that business. So you probably just want to be more explicit and explain like what volume of work you're doing, and anything you can show that is going to build up people's trust and confidence that they want to look to you for this learning is going to go a long way towards convincing them to pay the $27. Okay. Yeah. Work with me. Design that delivers results. Okay. Cool. I hope that's helpful. I'm going to move on. All right. Roggen AI music generator. Create original music from text. Cool. Generate music now. Let's see. Basic. Singer. Female, voice style, clean language, any. You know what? I don't want to go through this quite yet. Just show me, kind of let me listen to some stuff. What you can do, product photography. Okay, I think I ended up somewhere else. Okay, here we go. So it looks like this Roggen has a bunch of different tools, and music generator is one of them. Everything you need to create AI music, prompt builder, lyric generation, music templates, vocal options, royalty-free output, how to generate music, set vocal options and musical style, perfect for content creators, game developers. Cool. Every music style covered. Yeah, like I just want to hear some samples of output. It would be nice if you had that here. One way you can do that is let me actually click these genre pills and just play a few examples of tracks that have been created with this tool for that genre. That can go a long way towards converting someone into a user. Start from curated prompt. Browse music templates, start from scratch, expert tips. Yeah, like, can I try this for free? Browse music templates. 80s City Pop Night Cruise preview. Okay, the music is not going to come through in the stream, but I can hear it here. I finally got to a preview, which is cool. Sounds a little bit like Daft Punk, that Get Lucky song. Cool. Okay, I get that. Let's see. Okay, let me use this prompt. Music prompt, lyrics. I just want to like apply an adaptation to that track. It would be nice if I can do that rather than, okay, I guess I can do it here. AI generate lyrics, city pop, voice sounds like a phase of Johnny Cash. I don't know. Generate music, cost 80 credits. Okay, I can't try this out. It might be nice to have a way to try it for free, even if you just give a really short preview of the output. Looks like I need credits. I don't know the whole pricing on the credits. I'm imagining since you have a bunch of different AI tools here, like they probably all use credits and there's some way for me to buy credits. But I came here kind of like, if I just came here for music generation, it would be nice to see the pricing here. I don't even see where to buy credits right now, so that could be more clear. Okay, I hope that helps. I'm gonna move to the next one. Okay, build run kit. This is actually a YouTube page. Let me see if I can get to the landing page here. My latest book, build run kit. Here we go. We use cookies. Check. Business in a box. Develop, launch, and operate your business. Start for free. There's a layout issue with the pricing button. Develop, launch, and operate your business. Business in a box. Start for free. I'm not yet sure what I'm getting. Let me read more. 12 bucks for 2 users. Tasks, strategy, guidance, CRM, projects, invoices. I don't know what this is yet. Like task management, invoicing, CRM. I guess it's all those things potentially. The guidance, I don't know, is that like AI guidance? Am I getting consulting and coaching from someone? It's not clear yet. Has seen on all of these things. And you've got links here. Let's see where these goes. Bootstrap, Factory LLC, and build run kit to empower startup founders. Okay, cool. So you're mentioned on these platforms. Cancel. Are you our customer? If any of these sounds like you, okay, small business owner, launching a business, new entrepreneur, need to manage ideas, have issues. Is this for any business under the sun? Do you specialize in a particular niche? That would be helpful to know. Meet the people, Alex Chen, startup founder. Problem: as a tech visionary, I have a groundbreaking idea, but the sheer complexity of launching a business from legal hurdles to market validation feels overwhelming. I lack a clear roadmap. How they use it. I leverage the startup launch journey to systematically navigate every phase of my startup to guide workflows. Okay, the result: I successfully launched my SaaS product on time, a solid foundation. Launch your journey. So are these real people? Because the images seem AI generated. So, you know, I'm not sure if you're just trying to show examples of the type of people that might use this and how they might use it. If so, that's helpful, but it sort of also feels like you're trying to say these are real people. And if they are, apologies, but it doesn't seem real. What could help is if you can click out to these people's businesses or their profiles or something like that, because these images just seem like AI generated photos. So like decide what you're doing here. Are you trying to show like real testimonials? Because that's what this header comes off as. Meet the people building on build run kit. Or are you just trying to show examples of these are the type of roles that could make use of this product and how they would use it? So clarify that. Okay. Guidance and tools to start your business. 7-stage journey. Develop your idea, identify your founder DNA, explore customer archetypes. Okay. Deep market research. I mean, I imagine for the price point, all of this is like AI generated, AI guided stuff. It would help to just clarify. Yeah, I just kind of want to see like exactly what I'm getting, I guess. Build your brand and identity in one place. Define your logo and color palette. Okay. The tools you need for everything. Slogan maker. Okay. 3 powerful apps, CRM projects and invoice. Okay. See it in action. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Let's see it in action. I think it's great that you're showing your face in this product demo and like using your own voice rather than AI generated voiceover. We get to know you a little bit. At some point in the landing page, it would go a long way to explain why you are well positioned to provide this product. It would be nice to get to know you a little bit more. Why did you create this? Who you are, to help build up trust and conviction here. Let me go back to that video. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna watch the whole video. It's a 15-minute video, which can be good. If somebody is already like kind of sold and convinced they want to use this, it may be nice to have that deep dive to see all the features of the product. I think there's room for somewhere in the landing page to have a really quick, punchy video that pitches people on how this can benefit them, solve problems for them, make them money, etc. So that could be something to add as well. But great job with this so far. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Okay, here we go. Cool. Edgar, the voice AI assistant that turns your thoughts into LinkedIn posts. Okay, leadership-led content is the most effective way to build your brand on LinkedIn. Every week you talk to Edgar for 10 minutes. Edgar turns that into a week of posts, written, scheduled automatically. Okay, this is an interesting concept. I get what it is right away, so you're doing a good job. Yeah, so let's see what else is here. Try for free, get 3 posts that sound like you. People follow people, not logos. Posts from people get 3 to 8x more reach. Cool, your leaders already have the stories. Ghostwriting that actually sounds and looks like you. Nice. Your voice is your best content strategy. Try for free. Okay, you've done it really good with the landing page. It's really clear and concise. I definitely want to try this. Let's see if I have time to try it out. All right, let me check my email. Got the email. That was nice and fast. Welcome. We'll get you set up in no time. Just a couple of steps. Cool. Connect your LinkedIn. All right. Let me grab my LinkedIn profile. We found your profile and analyze your writing style. Cool. Casual, direct, story-driven. Cool. Looks good. Have an intro call with Edgar. Quick call to create your first trial post. Hopefully I don't have to spend that full 10 minutes talking browser. Edgar calls me. Interesting. Actually call my cell phone. That's pretty cool. Talking browser. Yeah, let's just do that. Create trial content. Choose my mic, allow this time. Hey Edgar, nice to meet you. Let's make this quick, please. My day is going well. I'm recording some live product demos as a way to help the indie founder community, but also drive those people into Beta Bloom, which is a community I'm creating for indie founders to help support each other with product feedback. I've talked to AIs before, so if we could please speed up this process, that would be nice. Yep, sounds right. So I know you can't hear Edgar on the stream, but the voice sounds good and it's snappy, low latency. But he's kind of confirming some things that I already manually confirmed in the prior steps, and that just feels unnecessary. No questions, let's jump right in. They've been working really well. I do about 10 product reviews at a time. I publish them on a web page, and then I go and tag all of the product owners on X. A lot of those people end up engaging with the post, and some of them end up becoming users in Beta Bloom, or new followers on X, or subscribers to YouTube. It's not something they're expecting. I think it's a total surprise. Although I am sourcing these products because they posted their product on X already as a reply to some other post. So they're expecting people to come and look at their product, I guess. And what else can I say? Yeah, they're generally very happy because feedback is exactly what they want, what they're looking for, especially at an early stage where a lot of these products are. Having a longer conversation here than I expected. Edgar's asking me a bunch of questions to get more clarity. So once they're in there, some of them just publish their product. So once they're in there, some of them just publish their product, but in the ideal case, some of them are also going and implementing the improvements or the feedback that I had suggested. Some of them are actually going and reviewing other projects in Beta Bloom and giving feedback there, which is what I want folks to ultimately do. Okay, I think Edgar is asking me some great questions here. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna click end, and I hope that I can get some content out of this. Okay, call complete, 5 stars. Anything else? This was great. Just don't have a lot of time to go on longer. Complete onboarding, sample posts. Okay, let's see what post Edgar comes back with. I think this is excellent in a lot of ways so far. Like I said, the voice responses are very low latency. I think the voice is coming across very personable, and the questions Edgar was asking, I think, will lead to some good insights and context, and hopefully some good posts. So I don't know how long this takes. It would be nice if there was a better progress indicator here. When the sample posts are being generated, it would be great if there was a better progress indicator, so I had some type of sense of how long I might be waiting here. I don't know if this is a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes longer. And if I'm someone who doesn't have a ton of time, I might just leave. But yeah, I feel like you've got a really great foundation here. And this is something I potentially want to use a lot more. But I think you have my email, right? So hopefully, since my email is in the system, once these sample posts are generated, you send me some type of notification, or maybe I remember to come back at some point. But certainly if someone leaves this page while the posts are being generated, you should send them some type of email so they know to come back. And at this point, it's just taking long, and I don't have a ton of time right now, so I'm gonna drop off. But great job here. I'm excited to see more. I hope that was helpful in some way. All right. And that's the last product.